Yo guys, welcome back to another video. It's Logan Rowe, and today I'm going to show you how to import sample packs into your FL Studios. The first thing you are going to want to do is to download a sample pack. I downloaded mine from Cymatics. I just downloaded the Pharaoh Beta Pack and the Fantasy Synth sample pack, and I will put a link in the description for that. After you've downloaded your sample packs, I put mine into a folder named Samples. You can call it whatever you want, but I just think Samples is easy. After you have that, you're going to go to your Options, File Settings, and then click this little folder down here, and you're just going to find whatever your folder name is. You're just going to add that. You will see on the left here, it just got added, and you can just drag and drop your samples from here into FL Studios. Yo, that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video and want more basic tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment if there's anything you want me to cover in my next video. Peace.